mwire kaunti-ini ya elgeiyo marakwet Anake 28 makinyirio thibitari-ini itiganite kaunti-ini iyo ni undu wa kurwara ndwari itiganite ta pneumonia na ndwari iria ciumanite na bacteria cia thakame.
So far we have admitted 28 in our various hospitals. We have admitted 28 initiates who have recently underwent the rites of passage or circumcision and have come into our hospitals with severe pneumonia, severe septicemia and severe pneumonia amongst others.
Ona kuri uguo minister ucio ni atetetie kuri Irua riu rirathi na hoya aciari gutwara ciana ciao thibitari angikorwo ni maronania dalili ciothe cia ndwari, akienda aciari kunyitanira na ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri hari maundu ma Irua.
We want to take this opportunity to appeal to all the caregivers who have initiated in the seclusion to take the extra caution and safeguard the health and the lives of the initiates who are currently undergoing the rite of passage.
Isaac Kipiegon ni orotete aikari acio ni kwaga kugacirithia utheru wa maria maturigiciirie riria Irua riri rirathi na mbere.
We are not supposed to lose any life because the procedure by itself is supposed to be a safe procedure, and but because of the conditions surrounding the procedure and surrounding the care following the procedure, which has exposed the initiates into this condition. So as mentioned, we are appealing. Our desire as health workers is that once we are able to identify these cases, that we should be able to have prompt facilities and be given care.
Gerifo tira Muthengi TV, njetago Njeri wa Ndungu.